Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to disable your typing indicator on Slack application on your mobile device. If you want to disable your typing indicator on Slack quickly and protect your privacy and stay in control of your online presence, first of all, open up the Slack application on your mobile device and log in. From the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Now click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, tap on Message Display. Now, to disable the typing indicator, tap on the toggle button right next to Display Typing Indicator and make sure that it is turned off. Soon after you do that, Slack will automatically save your preference. Your teammates will no longer see when you are typing messages. And that's it. You successfully disabled your typing indicator on Slack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.